Ka Power Grid bak Indian Oil Corporation Limited ka nok senyang ya atli ki machine ki brakot ka ap Klur tengka sya ka Shillong Civil Hospital. Kini ki machine ki kentup ya ki imaging city sispa alpha plus slice revolution maxima bat ke helium free MRI weapon san Tesla na ka benta ban ai ke jing suma ka bakam paka bat jana ya ki paj ba ka jela ha ka ni ki hospital sokar ka barim tam ha ka jela ya kini ki machine la ot ribon tri katanat ko ki kia ba wailat mi ki sila ha ka absan tarik unai wing aja absan ha ka jinolang ki we ki sokar na unung mi kmat naga Power Grid Rajesh Gupta bat ki pan.
Operation of the CT and MRI diagnostic unit. Like I already mentioned, we are very grateful to the IOCL and the Power Grid for their support through the CSR for this too important diagnostic unit, which the amount put all to both the diagnostic unit have come to almost 22 crores. And it is really the need of the hour. And once again, I would like to thank you both the PSUs for joining and helping the Meghalaya, the state government, especially the health department, in their efforts to give the accessible and the quality healthcare to the people of the state.
Before all of you today, in the significant occasion of inauguration of and handing over of 128 slice CT scanner and MRI to Civil Hospital Shillong as a part of Power Grid's corporate social responsibility initiatives. The overall cost of the project of CT scanner was around 6.8 crore, which includes CT machine, workstations, servers, PS, chairs, cupboards, trolleys, etc. I am sure that such efforts will not only help provide better health infrastructure, facilities in the state of Meghalaya, but it will also lead to overall development of the society at large.